In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo card verification failed. So if your card verification has failed, it may be because your identity verification has failed as well. So Venmo is asking you for your personal information in order to make sure that you're actually the person who's using your account. So it's actually required to this by doing the following. You can send $300 or more in 1 week with rolling 7-day period, transfer $1,000 or more to your bank in 1 week, or be added as a manager for an organization account. So to verify your identity in the Venmo app, you can head over to the Me tab. From in there, tap on the settings gear on the top right, and from in there, tap identity verification. You can just follow the on-screen prompts in order to process your identity. And once you have verified your identity, it will also have verified your card. And you can head over and see if it actually will be a success. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.